Seffrin, the founder of Indy Holistic Hub, and I am relaxing actually in a dentist chair with a warm neck wrap and Dr. Michael Harris. We are at Midwest Integrative Dental Medicine.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Glad you could be here.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I tell you what, we are gearing up for an amazing event this year, the Holistic Hub Wellbeing Fest. It's our 6th annual event.
We're back in person this year.
We are back in person at the Biltwell Event Center. I'm super excited. I know you are too, because when we were together in 2019, it was such a great time. So I was recently on another podcast, and it was with the Town Post Network. And we were talking about Wellbeing Fest and holistic health, and I mentioned holistic dentistry. And so Tom Britt, the CEO, was joking, and he's like, well, what's holistic dentistry? You know, like, is there no numbing or anything? They give you a stick and you kind of just hold on for dear life. And so I was telling him, actually, they have great care. They give you warm neck wraps. They integrate in essential oils and other things beyond that. So I thought it'd be great for you to let Tom and many others know, like, what really is holistic dentistry? Because I think a lot of people don't realize there is holistic when it comes to dentistry.
Well, Jen, that's a great question. So we figured out that a long time ago, back in the 1800s when I was in dental school, we were taught, there are, some of the things that are more comfort-based as far as your neck wraps, the oils, the gong. We have a gong. There's a gong here. But beyond the comfort, the creature comforts that we have here, considering ourselves like a holistic or wellness-based dental practice has a lot to do with honoring your entire body along with fixing your teeth. Okay, what does that mean? Well, when we were talking about, there was 150 years where you might place a metal filling to fix a cavity in a tooth. That's not really something that we do because we know that mercury is toxic. When it comes to maybe having a root canal tooth or having that procedure done, we can go into this later when we talk again on Sunday. There are certain types of procedures and materials that when it comes to your entire health, those are not maybe the best things for you on a long-term basis. So, hours, weeks, months, years of reading, okay, what are these things that are helpful for you as a patient in the long term in terms of keeping you healthy, and what are those things that may be less productive or healthy when it comes to your entire body. And we take those things that we love and we keep them and promote those, and then those that are not quite as useful for you in maintaining your whole body health, we try to stay away from those. Also we've been fortunate enough before things kind of shut down in 2020. We've been fortunate enough to be able to travel the world and see what people are doing over in Germany, over in Switzerland, where their governing bodies move a little bit more quickly in terms of approving things and materials and procedures, all that jazz. We talk about Chinese medicine, okay? Some of you might know about the meridian system. Okay, everything is connected, and your teeth kind of serve as anchor points or nodes to which, okay, your spleen may be connected to a tooth on the upper left side, or your stomach, or anything else. So we really kind of take everything that we've been able to learn, Dr. Goop and myself, over the course of maybe 60 years total practicing between the two of us. That might be more, but we take those things that we've been able to learn and share them with our patients, who we're very, very grateful to have, and who will listen to us talk about crazy things. So.
Well, I love that. And yeah, I mean, 60 might be a little elevated. I'm not sure. I know Dr. Goop has been representing like holistic dentistry in our region for some time. And I think you're pretty fortunate to work with her, by the way. She's awesome.
Very lucky.
Yeah.
Happy to have her as a mentor and partner and all that jazz.
And I'm so thankful you've come in too to keep carrying that flag and moving that forward. And yeah, so you did a talk, and you did talk about the meridian system. actually about a year ago for the Indy Holistic Hub in our Wellbeing Fest we did virtually. So for you out there that are interested in hearing more about that, you can actually go to our YouTube channel, our Indy Holistic Hub YouTube channel, and look at Wellbeing Fest from 2020 and hear more from him and Dr. Guba. So excellent. So what else do we have coming up? So you mentioned Sunday. So to learn more about holistic dentistry and many other complementary therapies, we're going to be again at the Built Well Event Center on Sunday, November 7th. And the other great thing, Dr. Harris, is we're super thankful to have you as a title sponsor and supporting us that way. You're also going to be on a panel as well. So we have 2 panel discussions going on that day. And you want to tell them what the topic is and the time for your panel discussion?
Sure. At 3 o'clock on Sunday, we will be talking with Colette and Leah. And
Stand for Health Freedom?
Yeah, and there's one more person who might help me there. But our friends will be talking about how to become your best advocate in terms of healthcare, what is available, because sometimes we don't know what's available. We depend on our friends like Jen at the Holistic Hub and all the great people there. It's a wonderful network, especially for people that are new in town. Some people have been here for a while, but maybe they're taking a new approach to determining their journey and their avenues to becoming better people, and just as importantly, better parents, better friends. How do I become my best self? And what they say is health is wealth. We know that. Okay, if you're feeling great, then you're a better mom. I know I'm a much better dad when I'm energetic, drank my water, and slept well, and all that jazz. So
indeed.
So our panel then will be just regarding what are the ways to become your best advocate in your own healthcare, and if you don't know that, how do you find out?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Well, and the event's great for that, because a critical piece is educating yourself in order to be your own best advocate, and also trusting your own guidance system that is right here. So,
it's the best guidance system.
Yeah, you talked about understanding the interconnectedness of the teeth with the rest of the body, and we have our own senses and guidance system that helps guide us. So it'll be a great conversation, and you can get lots of education by coming to Wellbeing Fest, meeting these amazing vendors that we have across the spectrum of holistic health and well-being. I mean, it's going to touch on all the things: mental, emotional, physical, and even spiritual well-being. And you can tap into our panel discussions. We're going to start the day off with a keynote this year. So I'm so excited. This is our first time to have a keynote, and it's going to be, our doors open at 10:30, and then keynote is at 11 with Richard Brendan, and he is going to set our hearts on fire for that day. So we're really ready to take in all the goodness that's in store.
Wonderful.
So
that'll be a great time. Good.
Well, thank you again so much, and I look forward to seeing you at Wellbeing Fest. And I look so forward to having you with us, and I greatly appreciate you. So,
looking forward to seeing you guys. Can't wait.
Sunday, November 7th. Details at holistichubwellbeingfest.com.
See you there.